Are you also tired of your Facebook account getting suspended every time you start scaling? So as a dropshipper, you might know that Facebook is not going to return your money if your accounts get suspended. So it's better to take some precaution first before you start scaling. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that one secret tool that every veteran dropshipper uses to prevent their Facebook ad account suspension. So the tool I'm talking about is AdsPower. So it is a browser that allows you to manage multiple accounts on various advertising platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads. As a dropshipper, how do we use AdsPower? I'm going to show you in this video. So as you can see, this is AdsPower website and this is how their interface looks like. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a browser profile for myself. I'm going to show you how do I keep my Facebook accounts in AdsPower to avoid suspensions and a change in proxy if any of my teammates want to log in into my Facebook account. So I'm going to provide them the access of my AdsPower so all the teammates can manage my single Facebook account without change in proxy and without getting them suspended. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write the name of my browser profile. I'm going to create FB Indian account 005. So they also provide this option of group. You can make multiple groups as per your requirements. So if you want to add any tags, that's up to you. So for the browser, I'm using Windows. If you want, you can add any cookie. It's up to you as per your choice. So for the proxy type, I'm gonna be using HTTP proxy. So now I'm going to put on my proxy over here. So I'm using India's proxy. Make sure whenever you're using HTTP proxy, you have to put on your username and password. Otherwise, you won't be able to log it into your browser profile. Now I'm going to check my proxy whether it's working or not. So as you can see, I have passed the proxy test. All these things are optional. It's up to you if you want to go in more depth. I'm just showing you how I create my browser profile for my Facebook ad account management. As a dropshipper, it is very important for me to have a platform that is very convenient for me and for my teammates to manage my Facebook ad accounts without getting them suspended. So as you can see that my browser profile has been created. So now I'm going to open this. So the browser profile of AdsPower has been opened now. As you can see, I have chosen the Indian proxy. That is why the Indian IP is coming over here. So once this page is open, that means you have successfully created your browser profile. What I'm going to be doing is that now I'm going to open Facebook login. Now I'm going to log in into my Facebook. So as you can see, this is my Facebook account. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to open the ads manager. So this is my Facebook ad account and I have already logged into my account. So this ad account that I have opened right now, that is for testing purpose. So as a dropshipper, you have to keep on testing lot of products in order to get a winning product. So for that, you need a lot of Facebook ad account management. That is why I use AdsPower so that any of my teammate wants to run ad or want to test any campaigns on this ad account of mine, they can easily log it into these accounts without any change in proxy. And here is one thing that is very special about this tool is that if I close the tab of this browser profile, so if I again want to open the same browser profile, all the things is going to be saved as it is. So as you can see, I have opened 3 to 4 profiles of mine. These all are FB accounts, and for the Google ad testing, I keep another group of that. So what it does is that multi-management of accounts is very easily done through these multi-detecting browser profiles. And the best thing about AdsPower is that it won't allow any change in proxy. So that is why your Facebook accounts won't get suspended. So if you're a dropshipper and you're looking to scale, you can't afford your Facebook ad accounts to get suspended during scaling. So to avoid that, you can use anti-detecting browser tools like AdsPower. So it will help you to prevent your Facebook ad account suspension. Even if you're doing for India or for international, you can put on some proxies as per your requirement of your country in which you want to scale or you want to run ads on that country. You can use the IP accordingly. And the best part is end of the season sale is going on and you can get some exciting 40% discounts on AdsPower if you purchase their plans, and most of the dropshippers are scaling currently. So what are you waiting for? Go and buy your plan and start scaling without any suspension. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.